Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going over my skincare routine, and as you ladies can see, I care about my skin. The skin is an organ all by itself, so that alone should already stick out to us that we need to take care of our skin. And not only that, it's the outer layer of all of our body, so it's the layer that gets hit the most, touched the most, bruised the most, it gets affected the most. So we definitely got to take care of our skin, and today I'm gonna show you that. So I do makeup. A lot of you know I do makeup. I'm a makeup artist, and I wanted to also tell you guys that your skin is the foundation to your makeup. You think your foundation is the foundation to your makeup? It's actually your skin. So today we're gonna check out some things that you might wanna keep tuning in for. Here we go.
Yo, B, where you at? You in your studio doing makeup? Doing makeup? Doing
So
makeup?
ladies, when I first start with my skin, I wanna make sure that it's clean. You gotta make sure the skin is clean. So these are wipes that I use. And what I like to do is I like to take a wipe. And what I do is take my cleanser right here. I'll take a little bit and I'll show you about a dime size amount of my cleanser. And what I'll do is I'll put it on the makeup wipe, rub it together, and wet the wipe. Just a little bit, not too much. There we go. And I'll take the wipe and really clean my skin. Now, before you touch your face, make sure that your hands are clean. I cleaned my hands before we started, so please make sure your hands are clean, because your skin, a lot of people's skin are sensitive and they don't even know it. So definitely clean your hands before you start. Yes, I get the lips, I get everything, and I like to get down to the neck. We gotta clean everything. So when I clean my face, I clean the neck, because sometimes I do my makeup and it gets all the way down to my neck and I don't know how. So I got this hair covering and lace baby hair covering from Ulta. So if you're looking for something to cover your hair while you're cleaning your face, go to Ulta and get this. And let me guys tell you the name. The name of it is called Whim Spa Headband. So you guys would definitely love that. I'm be real with you, I normally use like my bandana or my do-rag, but since this is YouTube, we're gonna go ahead and fancy it up and make sure that you guys have a nice little baby hair covering that you can use. So what I'm gonna do is rinse, splash my face real quick. So give me 1 second and I'll be right back. Hi ladies, so I am back. Clean skin, thank you. So I'm gonna go ahead and tone my skin. What I like to do is take a liquid toner, and what I'll do is put the liquid lotion on a cotton pad like this, like so, and make sure that it's at least a quarter damp. Now when I'm toning the skin, a lot of people like to rub in circles, which is pretty cool, but we already did that with the cleanser. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swipe, like I'm wiping to tone that skin. Yes. And you want to make sure you get all areas. You do not have to get underneath the eyes though. And remember, I told you guys that I get makeup on my neck. So what I like to do is tone my neck as well, because what it's doing is exfoliating the skin, and that's exactly what I needed to do. Alrighty ladies, so our skin is clean, our skin is toned. Now we're going to treat our skin. The perfect skin routine to me is cleaning your face, toning your face, treating your face, and then moisturizing your face. That's a perfect skincare routine, period. So I'm gonna go ahead now, and what I like to do is take this nice treatment. So this is a hyaluronic acid face hydrating, replenishing, rejuvenating facial sheet mask. The hyaluronic acid is actually really good because what it does is it hydrates the skin. Not only the outer layer of the skin, but the bottom layer of the skin. So it super hydrates the skin, plumping the skin up, helping it to diminish any appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It takes a healthy glow, a youthful radiance. This is by K Aesthetics, right? And I like how what gravitated me to this specific mask was that it says certified organic. Yes. So a lot of you might not know I do a mask once a week. So that is added in my skincare routine. And what I do is I like to leave this mask on for 20 minutes. Okay, and it is a sheet mask, so it has everything already in there for you. As you can see, it's stopping. Now I accidentally ripped mine, but do not rip yours. Okay, do not rip yours. Be really gentle and careful with opening the packaging and actually pulling it apart. I think that's exactly where I did it. Alrighty. This is not my first rodeo, so I'm just gonna go ahead and press this on. And this is the place I ripped right there by accident. So I'm gonna try to, put that together as much as I can. Okay, there we go. Ladies, so we're gonna leave our beautiful face mask on for 20 minutes. I'm gonna come back and show you guys the end results. Stay tuned. Alright, ladies, and I am back. Woo! Yes, so we finished the sheet mask for 20 whole minutes. Now what I'm going to do is just moisturize my face with the left of the serum that's in there. That is crazy they put this much product in there, because I just have to also tell you, I feel rejuvenated. I feel hydrated. And we have all this hydration on our skin. We're not just gonna leave it, honey. We're gonna work it in. Work it in. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my tool called the Jade roller. And I'm working this treatment into my skin. Okay? I like to get that smaller area better, yes. Use the tool and don't let the tool use you. That's right. The reason we use this Jade roller is to circulate the blood in our cheeks and our face so that we look sculpted and we look more appealing. This tool is a must-have. Yeah, but we're gonna get that neck. Alrighty. Yes, yes, yes. Get y'all minds out the gutter, because I already know how y'all get down. Don't do that. I'm a business professional. Okay. A little serum. Be careful if you're not really advanced with that step. Don't do that just at first to get the blood circulating near the eye. You would have to be very gentle and already how to work with this tool. I do not want you guys poking yourself in the eye. No. Please don't say, being said, roll it under the eye. I poke myself in the eye, now I'm in trouble. That was a disclaimer. I'm hungry, guys. Let me take a drink first. Oh, you guys. This is my customized cup. B. Manning. I got this as a gift and I love it so much. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, it's bling bling blow beam. This is me. If you ever want to give me a gift, bling it, blow it, makeup-y, girly, I'm like, Rich Patty. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes. No, but I'm hungry. Y'all try to distract me from my hungriness. I'm going to eat my pineapples because I'm hungry. I'm going to eat my pineapples. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I was young. Don't be mad at me. had to eat my food on camera. Mask to feel relaxed, pampered, all that. So we're gonna go ahead with the eye cream. I don't really do much after the sheet mask. I just go ahead and put some eye cream on, and that is all I do. And some chapstick, and I'm ready to go. Alrighty, my beautiful skincare video. And that's really all I do after I roll the treatment in there. And I feel like you're set for the day. If you are older, if you're like in your late 30s or like 40s or 50s and up, what I would recommend doing is making sure you have all anti-aging treatments to put on after. Definitely in your 30s you should be putting on eye cream. Definitely in your 30s you should be putting on anti-aging serum and an anti-aging lip conditioner. So 30s and up, I recommend that. Right now, you know what I'm saying, young thug dizzle, so I do what they tell the age brackets to do. So I'm doing what the 20s and the age bracket does. If you in the 20s, this is your video. Now stop, I'm hungry again. Now see, I gotta go off camera. They're about to come. My skin is rejuvenated, my skin is hydrated. I feel good. I feel like my skin feels good, and that's good. My skin is breathing, feeling good. And I wanted to thank y'all for watching this video. But before you guys go, hit the subscribe button. Okay, how long have we been doing this and you've been watching me? Subscribe to my channel. You don't want to miss a video this year. They're gonna keep coming this year. I say it every year, but this year it's gonna keep on coming. I'm holding myself to this because this is what I am passionate about. This is what I love to do, and I just see myself doing this. Thank you so much for watching my skincare routine video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave your thoughts below in the comments.